Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn one new chapter from your English Balbharati textbook. The name about your chapter is All About Glass. So, today in this chapter, we are going to learn that what is glass, how is glass made, how glass is shaped, what are the useful properties of glass? What are the different type of glass? What are stained glass? And last we are going to learn that how glass are recycled. So now let us start, begin or learn about what is glass. So now we will see what is glass. Glass is the most beautiful substance that we can see around us. So every one of you have seen something or the other things made up of glass. So just look around yourself. You will see that there are many different types of things which are made from glass. Glass is transparent. We can see through it. Now we will see what are the different things made from glass. First we can see here glass containers, water filtration, glass windows, electric bulbs, mirrors, bottles, spectacles, lenses and prisms. Prisms means we use this in science lab to do experiments. So this different types of things are made up of glass. Not only this, but there are many more things which are made up of glass. Now we will see that how the glass is made. From where do this glass come? Now how is glass made? Sand to glass. Now glass is made up of white color sand. Glass is a man-made material, means we people, we make glass. Is glass available in nature from before only? No. We people, we human beings make different things from glass. So now we will see that how is glass made, from which things glass is made. Glass is made from white sand, a clean white sand. Can you see clean white sand over here? From this the glass is made. So white color sand is used in making glass. Only white color sand is there for making glass? No. There are two more elements, there are two more things. With the use of these three things, they make a mixture of these three things and they make the glass. So we have seen the first thing. Now let us see what is the second thing. Second is the soda. Can you see white color soda? It is a chemical. With the help of this soda, they make glass. Now third is the lime. Can you see white color limestone? They are called as limestone. This limestone are crushed, so we get a white color powder. So how is glass made now? Glass is made using this limestone, soda and white sand. So there is one big company of glass. So first the white color sand, the limestone juice and the soda. These three are mixed together. Now there is one furnace. Furnace means there is a big vessel. In that it is heating and heating. We can see fire inside the furnace. It is heating and heating. All these three mixture are put into this furnace. Then this three mixture it becomes like a liquid and it slowly are put forward It becomes a molten metal, means it become a liquid glass. So the gas is left out, it is heated, and when it is cooled, before cooling we have to make anything from glass. Once the glass is cooled, it is cold, we cannot make anything. So when the glass is hot, at that time only we can make new shapes from it. Now next we are going to see that how glass is shaped. Now we are going to see that how glass is shaped. Once the glass becomes cold and it is cooled down, it becomes very hard, and once it becomes hard, we cannot give different types of shape to the glass. Once the glass is hard, we cannot shape it, we cannot give shape to the glass. Now glass is brittle. Brittle means it can easily be broken. Sometimes by mistake, if we fall a glass, okay, so it breaks very quickly, that means it is brittle. Now the glass, it is given different types of shapes. From the hot glass, when it is soft and hot, at that time we can give different types of shapes to the glass. See here, the glass is very hot and it is like a liquid. At that time only you can shape it. You can pour the glass, you can mold it, means you can give a shape to it, you can roll the glass, you can press the glass, or also you can blow the glass. By doing so, we can get different shapes from glass. Now, hot liquid is poured into mold. Mold means different types of shapes. Different types of shapes are made from steel or any other metal. So we can pour the hot liquid glass into it, and when we pour this hot liquid glass into any mold, so we can get different types of shapes and different types of sizes from this liquid glass. The liquid glass can be rolled to make flat sheets of glass. When you go to any shop, have you ever seen a shop of glass? You can see different items, different articles made from the glass. There are thin sheets or even there are thick sheets of glass. So to make a flat sheet of the glass, we have to roll the liquid glass, then only we will get the flat glass. In some process, the molten glass, means the liquid glass, is floated on a bed of a molten metal. From a metal, a bed-like shape is given, and on that bed-like shape, we can put the liquid glass. By putting the liquid glass on the molten metal bed, we can get flat, thick glass. What we can get? Flat, thick glass. Now, the hot liquid glass can be blown. Blown matlab फूंक मारना. So this hot liquid glass can be blown for making bottles. Have you seen glass bottles? Bulbs. Bulb we use in our home to lighten our house. So the glass bottles, the bulbs, different types of glasses and other objects are made by blowing the hot liquid glass. Liquid glass means the hot liquid glass can also be drawn for making thin, very thin sheets of glass, or even we can make a wool, a glass wool out of this liquid glass. Now next we are going to see some important properties of glass. Means how the glass is formed. What are the important qualities of glass? Glass is transparent. Transparent means we can see through it. It is very transparent. Glass is strong and hard. If you are breaking a glass, first you will also get hurt, but the glass will also break. Some glasses are so hard that they cannot be broken easily. So the glass is strong and hard. It is impermeable. Impermeable means if you put any liquid, any juice into the glass, it will not fall down, it will remain in it. If you are putting a yellow color paint water in the glass will not become yellow, it will not be stained. The glass will remain transparent and as white as it was before. So it is impermeable. It has no effect on food, water and other substances. That means the glass, if you put any food item, any type of juice in it, it will not leave a smell or taste. It will not leave a smell or taste in the glass. If you are drinking an orange juice, the glass will become orange? No. After washing the glass, will the glass color will become orange? No. Will it taste like orange juice? No. So glass will never leave any effect behind of any food item. Some glass has very smooth surface. Glass has very smooth surface. You can easily wash the glass. You will not get hurt while washing the glass because the glass are very smooth. Have you ever touched the glass? It is hard or what? If you touch the glass you get hurt? No. Why you do not get hurt? Because the glass is very soft and it is very smooth. And last, glass is very beautiful. Why it is beautiful? Because we can make many attractive and good looking things from the glass. Now we will see what are the different types of colored glass. Now, some glasses are colorless, means some glasses do not have colors, they are transparent. But we can make colored glasses also. Now how we can make colored glasses? There are some chemicals which can give us colored glasses. So while making the glass, when the glass is in the liquid form, that time only they put different types of colors. So with the help of this color, we can get colored articles from glass. There are different types of colored glass which we can see. Blue color, violet, turquoise color, ruby red color, pink color, orange color, deep yellow color, purple color, dark green color. Sometimes even we can see black color and white color also. So we can also see colored glass. Now we will see that you play marbles. Marbles are also seen in different colors. Can you see a colored marbles? So the marbles are also formed by using different mold. Mold means shape. When you put the liquid colored glass into the mold, it will give you shape like the marbles. Now we will see what is stained glass. Stained glass means it is a colored glass, and this glass is painted with different types of pictures and paintings. The glass, we can see this glass mostly on the windows. When we go to church or any temple, we will see this colored stained glass. On these glasses we can see different types of paintings are done. They are called as stained glasses. When we go into the church, mostly when we go into the church On the windows of the church we can see this stained glasses. On this paintings are done, beautiful paintings are done. They are made very attractive and decorative. We can even get showpiece of this stained glass or even wall hangings which are made from the stained glass. Stained glass means they are made by doing attractive and beautiful paintings on it. We can even do glass painting. Colors are available in the shop. When you go into any stationery shop and you ask them that you want to do glass painting, so they will give you the paints which are used for glass painting. Then you can paint your own glass using the glass painting colors. Now we can also see that glass is recycled. Glass is 100% recyclable. How papers are recycled? Old papers are recycled to make new things from papers. Same way the glass can also be recycled. If you are having old bottles or old glass which you do not use, so there is one company which recycle the old things made from glass. You can go to those company and you can give your things and they will form new things for you from the old glass. Old glass bottles and jars are there, so you give those old bottles and jars to this company. So that company, what they will do, they will crush this glass first and again they will heat the glass. After heating the glass, after heating your old glass, they will make new bottles, again they will make new jars, and again they can make fiber glass from your old things which are made from glass. So don't throw glass here and there. If you will throw glass here and there, someone will get hurt from it. So what you will do, recycle this glass. Find out some company which recycles this old glasses materials, and you can save the energy, save heat. And don't forget that glass is very valuable. Why it is valuable? Because we can make beautiful things from glass. Your raw materials means your old glass materials, if you sell it, you will get very less money. But after recycling it, they will make new materials, new attractive materials from this glass. And when you sell this new material from glass anywhere, you will get a lot of high cost for it. So always remember that glass is very important, it is very valuable. So try to understand this chapter and we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.